Addicted to shorts? You're in the right place. I know that feeling when you just can't stop scrolling for one more epic moment. That's why I created this channel, your daily dose of internet gold, all in perfectly curated shorts. Every day I hunt down the most hilarious fails, jaw-dropping stunts, and those wait what moments you can't help but watch again. No boring intros or fluff, just pure, concentrated entertainment. Think of me as your personal content curator, filtering through the noise to bring you only the best clips. Daily uploads, perfectly timed for your meme fix. No filler, just fire. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our community of short addicts. Your For You page will thank you. Subscribe now and join the fun.